protesting. Whoa, so there's all those cops and then there's all these cop cars and vans. It's crazy. Everybody's waiting here to see George Clooney. Here we go to the show. I love the feeling of walking into a Broadway show. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm so pumped. Look at the green light.
All right! You guys enjoy the show?
We have a bookshelf. And here's my camera stuff with my new gimbal for videos. I don't know how to use it yet or set it up, but one day I'll get it together. Some things. And then books. Those are my 3 books. I have 3 in the bedroom that I'm reading currently. And those are all Justin's books. Having breakfast at Community. Ready, ready, ready? Hi! Waiting for our bubble tea.
I can't wait.
Jesus! It's like a whole concert. They're playing Nasty Girl by Tinashe. So she's here.
Tinashe.
Let's go to Body and Pole. Say hi. She's so tired. I'm tired too. Hey, back to Ariel after many months. Hi guys. Hi. Walking through the park. To Kim.
Hi.
Hey Dexter. We're heading to the Book of Mormon to get our tickets. Definitely want to see that play. Here we go. Down to the basement. It's hot in here. Oh my god. But this is cute. Nice. There we go. Oh man, we're back in the bathtub. At the gym. Gonna do a little warm up and an arm exercise. We're going out to a play. Here is my outfit. I have on this sweater dress with some knee-high boots. I'm all ready to go. And finally, it's not raining today. And so I can wear one of my pretty bags. I got this bag in Paris at the Louis Vuitton store. All right, here we go. The play's about to start. Okay, we're testing out some spots. This is one option. Dexter!
Dexter!
Your toys are everywhere else. Okay, so this is one. Oh, I cannot wait to look at my outfits in the mirror. We don't know where the mirror is supposed to go, so we set it up here for now. Boom. I like it. It makes the apartment feel bigger. Only thing is, then we have to move our trash cans. And like now they're just like framing the doorway. This is actually my child, my firstborn son. So I went to dance. I just got home and I had a yogurt bowl. That dance class was so hard, but also fun. It was just like, it was theater jazz and it was had like this pizzazz to it with some of these moves, which were cool. I couldn't do the moves because I could not remember the choreography to save my life. We split up into these groups and I was in like group 2. So we went, but then nobody, it was like these 3 girls, me and 2 other girls. And the 2 girls I hadn't realized in the beginning, but they like went to the other side of the like dance room. And so it was just me on the left side. And I was like, I'll be fine. Like no one's judgmental here. And if they are, they're nice. So it doesn't matter. But mostly I thought I liked dancing behind someone because I don't know, thought more of the attention would be on them. No, it was because I don't really know the moves. And so no one was there and I just couldn't do anything. Learned that I could do a pirouette today, which I finally did. They would do pirouettes all the time and I would just do like a turn because I was like, I don't know how to do a pirouette. But today, which I'll show you, this is like the one thing I'm proud of, and everyone in the class can do it, and nobody knew how excited I was about this. So, and then as you turn, you land here and then you're kicking up. So, pirouette, turn, whoa, whoa, I really sent it. Justin's going to his first conference today. It's Sean Carroll. I'm jealous. Sean Carroll is going on at 3 p.m. I'm gonna go to it. I'm kind of interested. I always hear him listening to his podcast. We were talking last night and he was like, how do you know about that? Like he was talking to me about physics. And I was like, you literally talk about this and listen to this 24/7. So some of the stuff has sunken in. I'm online with my QR code. This is cool. I think I'm lost, but this is also kind of cool. I'm definitely lost. This is not the place.
Flow increases and then decreases. But what that means is it would be low most of the time because you're basically in equilibrium.
I'm definitely a creep, but there's Sean Carroll. Hi. Having orange shoes. Hey, Kim. Hello.
St. Patrick's Day leprechaun. You're eating yourself.
Hi. He's stretching. Oh, good stretch. This guy gets a haircut today and his nails clipped and all the things. Here we go. Sneak Club. Stir. Hi. He looks so cute. We could get to sleep in the bed with us tonight because he's all nice and clean. Green coffee. Carrot cake. We have our sweet greens and we were on Columbia's campus to eat, but like everyone's out partying or something. This is fun. Our view. My view. We did our little picnic. We're gonna see if I can sign into the library. All right, I'm not allowed in the library, so philosophy building is. Here we go. So cute. We're going to the nut factory. Awesome. Smells insanely good in here. Christina is trying it for the first time. Awesome. The next New York thing, Zabar's, what we came here for. Let's go to a birthday party. Has new shoes. We're trying out these little balloon looking things. Hey, mister. Hello, it's Easter. Justin's wearing pink. I'm wearing purple. And we are going to Long Island. I got this Howl's Moving Castle like sketchbook. I got like this basic acrylic set of all the paints. I got 2 canvases. Event going on today. I have a rock climbing wall, which I really want to try, and these things. There's an event here today called Surf and Turf, and when Justin was an undergrad, we'd go to it a bunch, and so it's basically surf and turf. They have piles of shrimp, piles of steak. I also remember a pile of strawberries. Ooh. Okay, Justin got some things like dessert and shrimp and potatoes. And we're just gonna eat it out here on the lawn. Such a vibe tonight. Look at Kimberly. She's checking in for her class. We're going to the movies. Oh my gosh, I love the movie theater so much. My favorite place. Look at this escalator. Let's go get some pizza. Oh my god, that's so pretty. The music coming from Barnard. We're going to Tom's Diner. This is where they would film scenes from Seinfeld. Oh, got some eggs, pancake. I freaking love hash browns. Campus is so pretty right now. We're heading over to the philosophy building to do some work. This is Fernald. This is where Justin lived sophomore year. We're getting ready for graduation. There goes our grassy field.
I guess it's sort of like let's drink and just chill and like.
Wait, Emily will hate me for. Does anyone ask any questions of Emily? Is anybody vibe? No. Okay, never mind.
Okay, so I just left the Georgia room, which is right there, and it was really cool and nice inside. And then I'm walking, and this is Baruch, where I went to school. It looks really different. Also, like the awning and all, but oh my god, my school, my old bubble tea spot, pizza place. It's so funny, but living in Santa Barbara, I was dressing all colorful. Now that I've been in New York for a few months, the uniform just rubs off on you. So all black, and I have my dance stuff in my bag. I was in my first ballet class ever. I've taken a little bit of contemporary here and there in Santa Barbara, and I'm just super pumped. I've wanted to take ballet a little bit, like in the background there, since I was a kid. And like little girls were taking ballet, but I did swimming and karate. So quick story time of my ballet class. I was like really nervous to go to ballet. I had the shoes since January. Ever since I started aerial, ballet is definitely something that I've been wanting to try. I also got into contemporary dance a little bit. Now theater jazz dance, which is so fun. But for ballet, I was like, I really don't want the teacher to be mean to me. And I went, and she was literally telling jokes the whole time. She was funny. We were still learning the move. Though we were doing push-ups, which is funny. But she said, I like your nail polish. And I was like, oh my God, compliments instead of insults. This is great.